a great way to pimp up your fruit toast in the morning. Instead of lathering it with lots of butter, why not try a mixed berry ricotta spread? And it's really simple to put together. So in a jug, I'll add some fresh ricotta, a few tablespoons, some sweetness, a hint of honey, about a teaspoon or so, some lemon zest, pinch of cinnamon. And then for the berries, you can just use one berry, or if you've got a few of them, I've always got a few varieties of berries in my fridge, you can add a couple of varieties. So the blackberries, some raspberries, and we can never forget about the good old strawberry, fresh strawberries. I'll just cut the tops off them, cut them into quarters, and then in they go. Now we'll blend this until it's really smooth. How cool does that colour look? A generous dollop of that silky, smooth ricotta on the top. And because I've got so many berries left over, we'll just cut them up. So some strawberries over the top, some raspberries. You can leave them whole or you can tear them. And I'm just loving blackberries at the moment, so we'll add them. Look how big that blackberry is. I'm going to cut that into 3. On top, we'll add an extra drizzle of honey on the top to tie it all together. Now, you can't tell me that that's not going to taste better than just boring old butter.